Alright fellas, I actually sold my practice 450, my slightly older 14 model yesterday. Sold it to a buddy, so it's pretty good. He was coming off 250F and he needed a 450 anyway. So it works out great for both of us. I told him I just put some Renthal stuff on there, the sprocket, the gold chain. I told him he'd keep all that. It's got a pretty good Starcross 5 on it, but I'm definitely keeping my P3 carbon skid plate. It was a gift from them, and I'm keeping my arc levers. That clutch lever and purge is over $100 by itself, so I'm gonna keep those. Everything else he can have, the green flow pegs and everything. So I'll be taking those off and putting them on my newer, fresher 14 over here. And this will be the only 450 I have for the time being. This thing's got extremely low hours on it. I mean, you can look at the case there and just see no scratches. It's probably got around 26 to 28 hours. It had 20 or 22 on it when I got it. Put an hour meter on it. The hour meter reached 3 now, so should be fresh. Should last me a long time. As far as the second bike, I'm gonna take the money from the one I just sold and kind of just hang on to it for a while, put a little bit with it, and we're looking for a 16 to 18 gen KX450, preferably 17 or 18. Really don't want to do 16 unless I have to, but if any of you guys know of any really good deals on 17s or 18s out there, please let me know. Got this fresh YZ250 all stickied up yesterday. One of our kits we do from factory backing. Came out pretty good. It's still like a sleeper, like a clean sleeper, fresh look. Nothing too wild or jumpy, but it looks good. Got the blue wheels. Should be racing this today, but the rain kind of put a damper on that, so hopefully be at Mason County tomorrow instead. Working on some MX Guru t-shirts, guys. Got the bike there, got the logo, got the little YouTube logo. I'll be able to do these in any size and color, so I can do any shirt color, any vinyl color, so get at me if you're interested.